I love my deluxe styler, so I can just pre-curl my hair, clip in, and go. I always start by finding a very small section of the base of my head, usually about 2 inches from the base of my hairline. And I use the 3-clip hairpiece. For the second section, I part my hair just below my ear and use the second 3-clip hairpiece. Look how flat this lays on my head. Now for the third section, this is the most important section. You're going to part your hair right at the base of your temple and use the biggest hairpiece with 4 clips. For this fourth section, I like to part my hair at the base of my eyebrows. The seamless hair extensions make it so that even if the hair pieces are near the top of your head, you really can't see them at all. They lay super flat on your head. So now we're gonna install your first 2-clip hairpiece. Make a part angled from the top of your eyebrow down towards your crown. Once this piece is in, I like doing the same slide with your 2 1-clip hairpieces. You're gonna go to the base of your temple and part your hair exactly where you put the largest hairpiece with 4 clips. And you're just gonna add them right there near your temple for that added fullness and face framing volume. And then you're just gonna repeat these 3 pieces on the other side. Almost all the hair is already on my head and it's still super lightweight. Look how blended this already looks. See how fast and easy that was? How perfect is this color match? See how smooth that blend is? Seamless is about to be your best kept secret for natural looking volume that's virtually undetectable. Thank you for watching.